Uh-oh. It's Wednesday.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Wait, I got this. Alright, we can start running. But watch. Okay. I feel like he isn't gonna let me be. Here's what I'm gonna do, alright?
Excuse me, the store is now closed.
There's two!
The store is now closed.
They're both after me. If this place is abandoned, we're definitely gonna be starting off good. It's a bad spot though. Because he's just gonna jump in. Oh, I'm stuck. Where are you coming from? God damn it. Run, Air. You can get rid of these fences.
The store is now
See,
closed.
this is your fault. I have to save you.
Excuse me.
This is why we close up the houses that we are in and don't go out when we're at night. I feel like I should be actually talking into my mic. Oops. You can't even survive, hobo. What's going on? Wait, I want to meet these people. You have to hide trash can. Huh? Oh no. You are such an L. Mic up. Dude, where are these people? Where are these people? I want to see them. They aren't even saying anything. They're just like all in tags. Nah, it's the haunted IKEA game. Need some Doritos.
The store is now closed.
No.
Please exit the building.
The store is not closed. You're closed. Come on, Slay. I thought you said to mic up, bet. Mic up. You owned. Uh-oh. There's... Hello, Vanessa. This? No. Yes. That. Okay. Champion. Where's the... He's just legs. Hi. Who's this? Uh-oh, I just... Is this the kitchen? No, it's not. Oh, wait, this is so cool. This is such a cool base. Hi. Don't take him. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Hello, Vanessa. Oh my god. Yana, why are there people? The people. Uh-oh. Are they about to have an argument? Why aren't you walking? Oh, I guess I can't do that. Hey, put it back down. I didn't invite anyone. I did. Oh, ow. Oh, eat something. Drop this. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Why are you throwing it away? Click. You did it. All right, let's go. This is a nice area. Shall we live here? I don't know if this is a yes or a no. Okay. No. This one's a groove. Oh, it's about to turn night, I think. Uh-oh. Lazy. Uh-oh. Now it's nighttime.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Oh, I'll save you. Hey.
Excuse me.
What the heck?
The store is now closed.
This guy's buff. And he's smart.
Excuse me, the store is now closed.
No.
Please exit the building.
Help! Go away! Ah! Let's fight.
Excuse
Bow!
me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Bow! Yeah. You want more? Bow! Wait. No. Bow! Go away!
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit.
No! There's no way it's gonna get up. Whoa! Uh-oh. I didn't realize how long I've been building. I'll just try hard to survive, and then if I don't, I could just set a waypoint actually. Today's that's what day it is today. It's the Saturday after Friday, or Black Friday. You know, I haven't taken the time out to look at the space. This is the person we saw like the first time. Is first time's place. Dude, rest in peace them. I remember seeing them die and I was like, aw, that's too bad. I like jumped, but I didn't jump enough and I got scared. How many are chasing me? No! Oh, hey! No. You're closed. I can't make a mistake and die. I'm dead. Alright. Was there an employee without top part? It's just legs! I run back home. No! No! How do I get into this space? How do I get into this space? Okay. That's how you get in. Uh-oh. No! I only have one idea, and it's to go to the people who don't like me. Oh, God. Okay. It was the longest night ever, I swear. It's so silent. It's so quiet. Go away, you ugly. Are they talking to cats on Mars? That's just not a mean statement. I'm not being mean. I'm just saying. Dude, I don't want to deal with this. You just I'm gonna start stealing from here. I'm gonna start off with the computer, because no home is complete without. What is no home complete without? Put your answers in the comment below. The one comment. A lot of this will have to be cut down because this is gonna be a lot of footage. If this video isn't an hour long, and I'm sorry. Also, I don't see Yana. What else is good news is that, oh my god, is that we got the GameCube. Let's go. So now we can loot that, which is really good. I want that guy. I want it. I want him. Computer tower, that's your name. Jeff. It's my name. dsdiver simulator. I steal Blahaj and we're out. Ugly burger watching the Huberts. This is not gonna make me anywhere. All of this is for nothing. Just like your life. No. Nope, I don't. I take back that statement. Blahaj painting. Are you making that noise? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yiddle, go away. It's not like you are gonna die if you step foot out of your base. The gaming area gets lights, so I can do face cam. I say that like I will do face cam. Guys. I clicked on the wrong thing. How long have I been playing? Almost 2 hours. This is gonna be really fun to edit. Fun, more like stupid. Checking for updates. No.
Storage now closed. Please exit the building.
You're the short one. Where'd the music go? ASMR. Where did you come from? That was terrifying. I say that I'm both, but I'm really just more German, I'm sure, because my dad is German. Dude, my throat hurts from screaming like 2 minutes ago. That genuinely like made me jump. Ooh. Hello. I think I'm done with my base. Oh, but I also need to cover this area, so. Now you're not allowed. God damn it! I thought I wouldn't be smart enough. Everyone in this world should be like Blahaj. Lovable. What? Oh, wait for this part, wait for this part. Wait for day. Oh, I'm in the floor. I'm in the floor. I'm in the floor. Oh, help, help. How? Stop it. Stop it. Oh, I'm dead. That's the second time I've died. Why is the frame rate so good now? No, no, no. It's just legs. You decorated this terribly. Okay. Yiddle! 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 Why? Why? Yiddle, how could you? Yiddle! Get back here! Yiddle! Why? Yiddle! I thought we were friends! Get back here! How could you, Yiddle? I trusted you. Dude, you're running out of energy. You're gonna drop it. Why? I give her my utmost respect, and what do I get in return? A slap in the face. A slap in the face. Crap. Now to give you a good spot, Mothman. We're good. Please don't be dead. Please don't be dead. I'm not dead. I'm awesome.
Excuse me. The store is now closed.
Get down here.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
We're good. I need to fix this. You've like attracted like every single one of them. How did you manage? Bye. Dude, alright. This is easy. Dude, go away. Hi, Vanessa. I literally am behind you. Stop sealing it. She's yeah! Is it a blood night? Is it a blood night? I'm going back to my base. Who else's favorite color is green as? Ellis? Bro. She really be liking teal. Bro, she really be liking it. Ellis is your mom. Bow. Bow.
The store is now closed.
I just wild. Right? I'm not mad. Gotcha. Bow! Wait.
Excuse me.
Bow! Uh-oh.
Please exit the
That's not good. I'm dead. The last thing I want to do is I want to go to the ceiling. Good. If you're literally still watching it, good job for being patient. This is the longest video I'm gonna have for a while. I don't make long videos. Cause like no one's gonna watch through it all. And I know that. But I don't know. I'm just saying I'm doing it. I'm going to the ceiling. I'm like at the part of the video where it's just me just saying various words and nothing really leading up to it. Cause yeah, I know my videos can be boring sometimes. I try my hardest though. Alright, time to go. I reported you. Because the bed. Diego is not having it. Diego is dead. Probably could have just jumped off. You found a wall, I found your mom. What was that? What was that? What is this? Okay. Bro, 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 bro. Don't say that word, bro. Family friendly, bro. Bro. Don't say that. Bro, bro. I'm just gonna watch regular show. You could barely hear the music. Oh, that's a really cool effect.
Right, so if we could just snag it, we'll be out of your hair.
Nonsense! You absolutely cannot leave here.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh. Wow. We're good. I got spaghetti. I forgot to do this. Have y'all ever played identity fraud? What a fond memory that I just had. Yo! I made it! I made it! Woo! Time to go. I fell? Woo! Welcome. Thank you. I am taking pictures of the interior. So stupid. This is not gonna work.
Well,